How's it going, everybody? It is 5:30 in the morning. I'm in the truck and I'm about to head down to Austin to pick up the new project car from Copart. I'm not gonna say what it is yet. I'll take video of it when I get there and I'll kind of explain everything. But I'm pretty excited. This one is I will say that it's another Mustang, but it's not just a regular Mustang. I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna stop, get some coffee, get something to eat, and then head down to Austin. I will take a video when I get down there of the car as they're putting it on. So anyway, we'll see you there. Just outside of Austin right now. I say it's at a Copart. They say it's Copart Austin. It's actually Copart in New Braunfels. I say that right? New Braunfels. So I've got a little bit further to go outside of Austin. I've got about an hour left in my trip. So just wanted to update everybody. I'll see y'all here in just a minute. Alright, here we are. We're at Copart. I'm going to go inside and sign the papers and pick up the car. And we'll videotape the car as it comes out. But I haven't said anything yet about what it is. So you'll see once the car comes out what kind of car it is. And I'll explain it and everything by then. So we'll see in a minute. We got all the paperwork done. We're just waiting on the loader to get the car. I'm not going to get out of the car and talk on the thing. The wind's blowing so bad he won't be able to hear me. I've already given the paperwork to the loader. So he'll bring the car out. So I'm going to hold back and just sit in the truck and stay warm while they come go get the car, and I'll video it when they start to load it up. Rolling up with this old convertible Mustang. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to catch it. What is that, like a 65 maybe, 66? I'm not 100% sure on the older ones, but it's pretty cool. It'll be light in just a minute.
Oh my goodness, there it is.
There's the bullet. What do you think?
That's awesome.
Pretty cool, huh?
Oh, Mom said...
The other side's the bad side.
Dad, Mom said that Mom was like, which car should I have? And then...
Because they were like, we're going to have two.
Yeah, but I'm going to say which one
Okay,
you were
well,
going to
keep
have.
going.
So, Mom said she's gonna have the bullet, and then you're gonna have the Mustang. But I want you to have the bullet. Mom's gonna have the poopy Mustang.
Well, thanks for calling that poopy. I appreciate
love
that.
that,
Mom, what?
Well, I love it. I'm just saying.
Yeah, she does. I didn't get a chance to go around it very well at Copart, so I'm gonna go around it right now. It's dust from Copart.
Oh, this has got a hole in it.
It's supposed to have a hole in it. It's for draining.
Oh,
Yeah, it's to drain water out.
okay.
All right, so let's walk around it real quick. The rear end of the car, you got damage on both sides. Minimal on one side, most is on the other side, right here. Okay, other than that, there's a little, the front bumper's got some damage on it.
Green?
I'm not sure.
Highland, dark
It's called dark,
Highland
it's called dark Highland green.
green. Yeah, I see it.
Ooh, it's sparkly, Daddy. You got a sparkly car.
We also have damage down here
Yeah. Daddy, he got a, I mean, Mom, he got a sparkly.
and right here, as you can see.
Alright, we'll just duct tape it for now.
Yeah, we'll put some duct tape on it, it'll be all right.
Oh, yeah, okay.
And then I noticed this, which is the build number, 3973, it's bullet number 3973 for 2008. Out of, what did I say, 4,000 something?
It's like 449 or 48.
Yeah, 4,049, I have to look it up. But a little bit over 4,000 dark Highland green bullets made in 2008. Anyway, all right.
I like the wheels.
Wheels are nice. I like the other ones better.
Yeah.
But I don't know if they're gonna fit because of the offset.
After on it?
It does, it has Flowmaster exhaust, that's another thing I noticed.
Why don't we just get...
As you can see,
The bullet.
bullet.
You're gonna have to have a new headlight.
Yeah, these are different taillights too. These are an aftermarket taillight. It's got this black. You have to have a third brake light here. We're going to attempt to get this off.
Which is what?
And I was telling you on the phone,
Yeah.
the side, they put it on front ways this time, but the driver's door is locked. The one door I need to be unlocked is locked, and the one that's unlocked is on the side without the fender that folds down. So that's gonna be fun. We're gonna figure that out too. Anyway, all right, let's get after it.
Let's go.
It did it. It started.
You hear that exhaust?
That thing sounds good, doesn't it? Okay, so we lost some of our footage on pulling the car off the trailer. I'm sorry, I hate that happened. But what we're gonna do is we didn't really get a chance to fully go around the car. So what we're gonna do is go around the car and point out every single thing that we see wrong as of right now. So let's start with the passenger side of the car. So right here, as you can see, I'm not sure what caused this. I'm assuming, I don't know if it got hit over here too, but anyway, this isn't the worst part. This is actually a good side. So we're gonna have to have this pulled out, and I'm hoping I don't have to replace a quarter panel, but it's highly likely I have to replace this corner panel too. So let's move over to the driver's side and we'll walk around that way. Oh, well, we got, going around it, you got some dings and dents everywhere. There's some in the back. As you can see, you have a broken piece of plastic here. This looks to be the bumper support, is my guess, so that'll have to be replaced. I'm not really sure what these wires go to. They are cut, so we'll have to find out what those go to. So we'll work on that. We'll need a new third brake light. We'll have to have this trunk. We'll have to fix this trunk. We got some spots that are dented in right here, so we'll need a third brake light. We will need a tail light on the driver's side. Car hit. The way it was hit, the fender and everything was pushed in this way. What I'm thinking we're going to do is we're going to take and have all this pulled out on a frame machine, because I feel like that's probably the best option to make sure that this is done correctly. Anyway, so we'll do that. I'm going to replace the quarter panel myself, but all the work here, I'm going to have this all pulled out, and that way everything is straight when I go to put the panel back on. As you can see, it did get pushed over up here on the top. Luckily, it did not break the glass. I don't know how that happened, but somehow it did. Okay, and then right under here, this is where it was hit and everything. It moved into the fender well a little bit, and as you can see, this car has been wrecked before, probably something minor, but it does have Bondo or body filler on this backside. Going along the side here, you have dents and dings, which comes from this car is a 2008. That's going to happen. We're going to try to, I'm not sure if we'll address those first. We're going to try to get all the bad spots done first, and then we'll come back and probably address these small nicks in the paint. All right, moving on. Over here, everything looks to be good on this side. It's just rock chips. Oxidized headlights. I'll probably see if I can replace the plastic in the headlight. We have scuffs on the bumper down here, cracks, but it doesn't matter because the bumper did get damaged right here. So the bumper's gonna have to be replaced. Luckily, there's nothing special about the Bullet bumper. It is just a GT bumper, so it should be easy to find a replacement. We'll replace the bumper, repaint it. We're gonna have to knock some dents out in this passenger fender here. As you can see, you got dents right here, so we'll have to knock those out. You know, other than that, I think everything's all right. There's little bitty things inside that need to be taken care of. You have, stuff like new wipers and wiper blades and stuff like that. Let's take a look on the inside. Let y'all see what it looks like. First, I'm gonna have to go to the other side. Oh, that reminds me. The door wouldn't unlock. I'm sorry, the door wouldn't unlock, so the door wouldn't open on the driver's side. So, after looking at it and just brainstorming a little bit, I found out. You can come over here, I'll show you. This plastic piece right here was not on there, so the rod was stuck up underneath this piece of plastic. And that was keeping the door from unlocking. To fix that, I had to take this piece off, put the plastic knob, screw it back on here, and then pop this piece back on. So this plastic little knob thing right here is actually from the old Mustang, and so the old Mustang will live on through this car. Anyway, moving on. The interior of the car is in fairly good condition. The shift knob's missing. I'm in the process of getting a shift knob right now. The buttons on the stereo are kind of worn and stuff like that. The leather's a little worn, and from what I just noticed, the carpet is actually worn because I guess they decided they didn't want to use floor mats, which stinks. The back, I haven't cleaned it yet, so just keep that in mind. That's all those spots are from where the bumper was sitting. You see the back is in like perfect condition. Matter of fact, all those where the bumper had indented the leather has all come out. And then we have a seam on the seat that is split right here. So I'll have to get that re-sewn or attempt sewing myself. So with that being said, that gives you a rundown on what all is going to be needed to fix this Bullet. Did I put in the thing that the truck or the car started? Have I put that in the?
Yeah, it's on the trailer where it starts.
Oh, okay. All right. I won't worry about that.
It started on the trailer. We just didn't get any of it coming off because it was still stuck to the chain. So.
Forgot about that.
Yeah.
All right.
There's
Anyway,
video.
Before we end this, I wanted to show you something, and I wanted to show you something that's really cool that I found out that you can do on this car. And I don't know, it's simple, but like I think it's pretty sweet. So let me show y'all real quick. Let's focus on the gauges. Okay, so can you see the gauges? Mm-hmm. Okay, watch this. We're gonna turn the lights on, right? So, if you don't like that color, let's go over here to setup. Oh, I gotta close the door. All right, here. Let me close the door and I'll roll the window. Okay, something I wanted to show y'all that I think is really neat on these cars. Like I said, I'm used to the new Edge and the older body styles. They don't have all this neat stuff. So, when you turn the headlights off, you have the white color. When you turn them on, right now it's a kind of a purple color, purplish blue. In the camera it looks purple, but in person it looks blue. So you can actually come over here to setup. You can go to display color, and you can change it to green, blue, purple, white, orange, red, or what's called my color. And this my color, you can actually go into my color. And oops, I hit the wrong button, I'm sorry. Okay, let's go back. You can hold reset. It says to hold it, and you can actually go in here and you can change the reds, the greens, and the blues in this color to change the color itself. So you go here, and if you change the greens, you can go over to B, the blues. You can change what color all this is going to be. I think it's really cool. That's just me. But anyway, I thought that was pretty neat. I thought it was pretty cool. So I just wanted to show you all that. That's one of the little things. I mean, we're just kind of getting started. As far as I can tell, there's nothing else that's missing. I don't know if maybe y'all can tell me. I don't know if there was a badge here. It looked like there's something. You can see the residue, but from what I've found, it doesn't show that. From what I've found, it doesn't show that there's a badge in the center right there. So I'm curious, is there a badge? I mean, did these bullets come with a badge in the center? If so, I'd like to see if I can order one. That'd be pretty cool to replace it. Moving on from that, I just wanted to show you all that in the interior. I know it's really something simple, but I think it's really cool. Anyway, thank you so much for following along with us as we rebuild this 2008 Mustang Bullet. Or is it Mustang GT Bullet? I think it's Mustang GT Bullet. Anyway, we want to thank you for following along. If you like what you see in this video, please hit that like button. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that little notification bell. That way you can be notified when all the new videos come out. So we're going to continue along with this. I'm not really sure what's next. I'm thinking probably body work, because that's probably the worst part of this this build. Also, follow us on Instagram at this link right here. That way you can keep up with. We'll share some pictures as the process goes along. Thank you again. Have a great night.